try to reach for the light. No reason if I fall down tonight. No matter if I cry through the night, I'm falling more to the dark side.
Every day it's unfair for me to be a part of someone's life. I help them out, but they come up from my back, stab me with the knife. I hate this life, I'm always pushed aside, but no pride, yeah. I never lie, but they're spreading rumors every time. I've been called a bitch and a hoe all the time. It's nothing new, my parents never had a clue, and never win. All I got is lose. Even with my life, I could never choose, yeah. My biggest fears is my friends going different ways. I try to smile, but my feelings all confused, ayy. I said I hate you, even when I knew that the truth mean I love you. So maybe if I'm gone, if I'm dead, at the last drop of my blood is bleeding red. So let me close my eyes, rest in peace in a coffin. I got one word, yeah, I need justice.
Listen. In the rain, in the dark, I don't know where to start. All I see is scars running through my chest like the veins in my arms. They just hating us cause who we are, doing way too far. This thing we call society, changing the things of what we used to be. Mediocrity, you say you feel the sympathy when you have no empathy. Face the facts, you will never be like me. All you have is greed. Money and fame will never buy you friends. You were trying your best just to fit in, so don't feel bad for me then. When you all were given, if we switch the roles, tell me then what would happen. Sun